The goal of this program is to serve as an example, demonstrating the absolute bare minimum code required to get a dynamic particle animation running on HTML canvas. We are intentionally prioritizing conceptual clarity and a minimal setup over everything else. Performance optimization, advanced features, or even cleaning the canvas are all secondary to showing you the essential moving parts in their simplest form. Now, let's break down how it actually works. The entire logic revolves around two main components: a JavaScript class and an animation loop. We've defined a class called RunWorker, which acts as a blueprint. Every time we create a new instance from this class using the new keyword, we are spawning a single particle with its own unique properties: a random starting position, a velocity, and a color. This object-oriented approach is what makes the code so effective and well organized. It perfectly encapsulates all the data and functionality for each particle into a neat, self-contained package. The animation loop, driven by a request animation frame, is the engine. On every frame, it calculates the time elapsed since the last frame, and then it instructs every single particle instance to do two things. First, to run its update method, which moves it based on its velocity and then assigns a completely new random velocity, creating that signature jittery random walk. Second, to run its random method, which draws it to the canvas. Because we never clear the canvas, these drawing operations accumulate, leaving behind the beautiful emergent trails that form the final artwork. Finally, you'll notice I've used only one intermediate JavaScript technique to keep the code clean: object destructuring. I use this solely to extract the canvas width and height properties into simple W and H variables, which makes the subsequent math for movement and screen wrapping considerably more compact and readable without obscuring the program's logic. My hope is that by destructuring this basic example, you gain a useful mental model for building your own more complex canvas animations in the future. The link to the file location is in the description. Let's scan the implementation. That's all from my side. Be well.